Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you how I pretty much juice. I'm going to be showing you a few different juicing options that I am going to be combining. I just want to make a healthy version of juice for my family, for myself. I have combined a couple of recipes. Originally I was going to look online for a few juicing recipes, but I have been juicing for a couple months now. Tried juicing in the past and it just didn't work out for me, but now I've really been enjoying it since I've been on my health and wellness journey. So I kind of combine different flavors that I think would be good together, or previous juice recipes that I've seen in the past. Some things I'm just winging and some things I kind of just put together. So as of now, I am going to be making 4 different juices. I might add on the 5th one depending on how much space I have in my fridge and how many bottles I have remaining. So my first juice is going to be the green machine, and that includes green apples, celery, cucumber, lemon, and ginger. And then my next juice is just gonna be some basic juice pineapples with a little bit of lime to balance the flavors out, and that is in this bowl here. My third juice choice that I have already prepared and chopped up here is gonna be pineapples, turmeric, carrot, oranges, and a little bit of ginger at the bottom. Not too much on the ginger, being that I have a different root, which is turmeric, in here. And then my last juice is gonna be on the sweeter side. It's gonna be like my tropical juice. And I have yellow dragon fruit, the regular pink dragon fruit, along with some mango, pineapples, a few apples, and some guava. So we're just gonna head on over to our juicer. I am gonna do about 2 rounds of it. Then I'm gonna have to reset my juicer, clean it out and everything, and then get ready for the next juice option. And then I'll just bottle them up as I go. And let's just get on into this video. Let's just get this work. I'm gonna be doing mostly a voiceover if I need to say anything, because I like to play my music in the background. So come on over here. So let's just hop right in. I like to wear my gloves because it gets very messy. And then I'm just going to begin juicing these watermelons, and I have a larger container to pour over into because the cup fill up pretty quickly, and I prefer to use this measuring cup because I think it has a little bit more room. It's a little bit bigger, so I try to use that one. And I just use that one, and it has about 2 cups in each cup before I have to refill it again. And then I realized I needed a bowl to kind of mix all the ingredients very well. And I purchased these bottles off of Amazon. I will link them down below in my Amazon storefront. So I just go ahead and bottle these up and set them off to the side to be placed in the fridge. And I just want to go ahead and let you guys know my Amazon storefront link is under Linktree, and you're just going to click the Amazon button because I know people have a hard time getting there sometimes. But we're going to go ahead and get into this mango guava passion juice. It is a really great juice for digestion, especially high in a lot of antioxidants. So I would definitely recommend trying this juice. It did come out on a little bit of the chunkier side, but that is okay. You can strain it even more than what I did if you don't like the pulp. But I kept it in there, and it gave like a smoothie drink vibe. It was very delicious. And then next up, we're going to get in my juice that I call the green machine. This is one of my favorite juice. Like, it's always included in my recipe. No matter what I'm juicing, the green machine is going to be included because it is a great energy booster overall in itself, and it helps aid in weight loss, anti-aging. Honey, the digestion will be on point. And I use this as a pre-workout sometimes. And my baby girl wanted to come join me. She absolutely loved juicing with me. So of course I allow her to get right on in the kitchen with me, and we're going to go ahead and bottle those up and set them to the side. I'm going to show you guys how I like to organize these in my fridge later on in the video. And we're going to go ahead and carry on into our next juice, which is that
ginger, turmeric, and carrot juice with some oranges. I do recommend to peel the skin off the oranges because it will be very citrusy and bitter in taste and very, very chunky to the point where it's even hard to strain. So I would suggest that for this juice, and that is how it turned out so great, because if you keep them on, it will not taste that great. For my juices, they actually taste really good. Like, you wouldn't even think you're drinking a juice. So I like to keep it that way and be mindful of what peels I'm taking off and keeping on. But this is the finished product. It looks so good and delicious and healthy. And listen, they tore those juices up within a week. And I just went ahead and organized them all cute in my fridge. And also, this little organizer will also be in my storefront. It's not the exact option because I don't think it's sold anymore, but I will send you guys the link to one that is similar. But this is how they turned out after I labeled them. And thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Bye.